Content is the king. If your content is salted and peppered with those keywords which you wanted to rank for, but tell me, is that happening now as well? Hello friends, welcome to Buddha's Learning. My name is Sumit Sharma and I am an SEO strategist. And today in this video, we will discuss how to improve the content of your website according to 2020. Now, before we dive into this topic, I request you to please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing and technology. Now, here is the big question. If your website is not ranking basis on certain keywords, what to do? Do I need to write a new content or I should make altogether a new website? Now, if you remember past in 2017 or 18, when Panda algorithm was followed, the SEO team spun the content around certain keywords which they wanted to rank for, and this was the time when sitemap alone that could rank a website in Google search results. But now, by the end of 2019 and the start of 2020, Googlebot and Google Eat, these two algorithms are followed and no more deliberately made content stuffed with keywords. Now Google sends the precise traffic to specific content that relates directly to customers' goal, or we can say the search intent. In other words, Google is ranking the content according to how it relates to what customer wants. So rather than saying the content is the king, now the new phrase is the user's goal is the royalty. So if you want to find your place up in the rankings, here are the 3 recommendations which you need to follow. The first one is identify the user's goal. I find that for some queries, Google tend to rank those pages which are according to what a user is trying to do. So for a page or a blog which is to be ranked higher, it's very important to understand the inherent goal of the website's visitors, what they want to achieve, and then write towards that goal. And I think it's superficial to identify the words that are commonly associated with specific keywords and include those keywords in the content. And these must be just like oregano on pizza. When a reader comes on your site or on your page or a blog, he must say that it's a useful content. It should not give a feeling like a long paragraph and then hashtags. Google will not show such content anymore. Point number 2, communicate, demonstrate and tell stories with images. Previous algorithms like Panda, which stated that if your blog or the page has an image, or rather I will say alt text image, a paragraph loaded with keywords, H1 tags, H2 tags, then it will rank that blog or the page higher. But now in 2020, when Googlebot or Google Eat, these two are mainly followed, your blog should be interactive, unique, and it should be like a story. Your featured image and the image within the content, it's not necessary that these two should have a keyword. Rather, the image should reflect the outcome as per the user's request. If your featured image communicate and the image within the content helps in demonstrate and your content revolves around the customer's goal, then Google will surely put your page higher in the rankings. Point number 3, be concise and be on the topic. If on certain keyword your content is coming on first page of the Google, then you should focus only on the target and you should stay on the topic. And if you want any CTA, that is call for action, it can be a buy button or it can be any affiliate link, then put them at the bottom of your content, and your content should be well optimized. So what I will suggest, that if you have old pages and earlier you had a very good traffic on them, but now the traffic on those pages is dipping down or deteriorate, then you must refurbish your content and you need to self-review, self-check. It may be possible that if you might have a long paragraph stuffed with keywords unnecessarily, or if you have many affiliate links within the content which carries the traffic altogether to a new link, etc. So friends, that was all from my side, and today we learned that how you can improve the content of your website in 2020. And if you like this video, then please share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, then please subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing and technology. So that was all from my side for today, and in our upcoming video we will discuss the 15 tips and tricks to improve your website's ranking. Till then, bye bye, take care and enjoy learning digital marketing through our videos. Thank you.